Because ladies and gentlemen, listen to this message if you would. Life is so full of creases, that's why I think wrinkles are very good. It is most imperative to have a little joyfulness each day. So don't stop playing just till you get older, you grow up because you stop to play. Because you never know, you never know, you never know, you never know, you're never too old to be young. But when you're halfway through, you just begun. Never too old to be young. When they tell you to act your age, they're obviously lacking in expertise. But they say it doesn't matter unless you're a bottle of wine or a piece of cheese. So when those twilight years smile down like diamonds upon you, please remember when you think you've done it all, you're gonna always find something new. Because you never know, you never know, you never know, you never know, you're never too old to be young. Never be a stupid son, cause you're never too old to be young. If you were wise, you can have whatever you visualize.